Hello everyone, welcome to Rushi's Multicode Quest. Today we are going to learn how to create a Vite project, then connecting it with our GitHub account and deploying it to GitHub as GitHub Pages. So let's get started. Our first step is creating a Vite project. Now I'll be copying and pasting the commands directly from my markdown file. So I have a modified version of these commands to directly use it with my GitHub account. I had previously created a dedicated video to show how to create a new Vite project and install dependencies. So if you are confused in this video, you can watch it later and I will share the link of that video in description below. So our second step is to initialize Git and push our project to GitHub. So first we will initialize Git in our project. After that we will add all the files and commit. And after our initial commit, we require an empty repository in our GitHub to push our commit and link the project with that GitHub repository. So after creating an empty GitHub repository, we will connect it with our GitHub Vite project. After connecting the GitHub repository, we will push the code to the GitHub and our project is now on the GitHub. So this is time for our most important step in our video, to deploy our website to GitHub as GitHub Pages. First, we need to configure our config.js file. So next step is to install GitHub Pages package with npm. After installing the GitHub Pages package, now we need to update the package.json script. It will build our project and our project will be in dist folder of our project. So our last step is to build our project and deploy it to the GitHub Pages by running these commands.